Mars, the red planet, has always fascinated us. It's a celestial neighbor that has captured our imaginations for centuries. From ancient astronomers charting its movements across the night sky to modern scientists sending probes to its surface, Mars holds a unique place in our quest to understand the universe, glowing in the night sky and sparking questions about life beyond Earth. Its reddish hue, a result of iron oxide on its surface, has fueled countless stories and scientific inquiries. The allure of Mars lies not just in its visual appeal, but in the tantalizing possibility that it might hold the key to one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone? Of all the planets, Mars is most like Earth, sharing some fundamental characteristics that make it a prime candidate for past or present life, with polar ice caps, seasons, and weather. These similarities suggest that Mars may have once been even more Earth-like, with conditions that could have supported the development of life. The presence of these features makes Mars a compelling target for exploration and a potential second home for humanity. Billions of years ago, Mars was warmer and wetter, a stark contrast to the cold, arid desert it is today, with rivers, lakes, and maybe even an ocean. Imagine a Mars teeming with liquid water, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. The evidence of these ancient waterways is etched into the Martian landscape, hinting at a past that was far more hospitable than the present. Water is essential for life, acting as a solvent for biochemical reactions and a fundamental component of cells. So if Mars had it, life could have started there. The possibility of past or present microbial life on Mars is a driving force behind our exploration efforts. That's why we've sent robotic explorers to search for clues, meticulously examining the Martian surface for signs of past or present biological activity, each mission building on the last. Each successful landing and scientific discovery propels us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the red planet. Early missions gave us our first close-up images, revealing a world both familiar and alien. Later ones, like Viking, searched for chemical signs of life. Although the results were inconclusive, they paved the way for more advanced investigations. Today's rovers, like Curiosity and Perseverance, are equipped with sophisticated instruments. Analyze rocks for organic molecules, seeking evidence of the chemical building blocks necessary for life to arise. The building blocks of life. These molecules, while not definitive proof of life, are essential precursors and provide valuable insights into the planet's past habitability. The search for life on Mars isn't just science, it's a fundamental human endeavor. It's about answering, are we alone? This question has haunted humanity for millennia, and the possibility of finding life on Mars offers a chance to finally address it. Even finding fossilized microbes would change our understanding of life in the universe, revolutionizing our understanding of biology and our place in the cosmos. That's why we keep digging, analyzing, and hoping for that one sign, that definitive piece of evidence that confirms life once existed or perhaps still exists on Mars. That will rewrite our place in the cosmos. Such a discovery would have profound implications for our understanding of the origins of life and the potential for life to exist elsewhere in the universe. Now, after decades of searching, we stand at the edge of a discovery, armed with advanced technology and a wealth of knowledge gathered from previous missions. That could change everything. The future of Mars exploration is bright, with plans for sample return missions and even human exploration on the horizon. The discovery of life on Mars was a team effort, with the Mars Sample Return mission at its heart. NASA's Perseverance rover landed in Jezero Crater, a site once filled with water, and collected rock and soil samples. Using a special drill, Perseverance sealed samples in ultra-clean tubes, storing them for return. A sample retrieval lander arrived, picked up the tubes, and launched them into Mars orbit, the first rocket launch from another planet. The Earth Return Orbiter caught the sample container and brought it safely back to Earth. Every step was designed to keep the samples pristine and uncontaminated. In early 2025, the container landed in a remote area on Earth, marking a historic achievement. Decades of planning and international collaboration made this possible. The stage was set for the most important analysis in planetary science. The Martian samples were opened in a secure lab, and after months of analysis, the world heard the news proof of ancient microbial life on Mars. Scientists found microfossils, tiny preserved remains of bacteria-like organisms from billions of years ago. These fossils were embedded in sedimentary rocks, just where life would be expected to leave its mark. Advanced microscopes revealed cell-like shapes, some even appearing to divide. The evidence was clear and verifiable. Mars once hosted life. This discovery answers a question humanity has asked for centuries. Are we alone? The ingredients for life aren't unique to Earth. Life can start elsewhere. Though these Martian microbes are long gone, their fossils tell us the universe may be teeming with life. We've only just begun to explore this new reality. The search for life beyond Earth is no longer just a dream. The data poured in, analyzed from every angle, multiple lines of evidence began to converge, painting a compelling picture. The findings were undeniable. Life on Mars. Scientists found complex organic molecules, the kind that are essential for life as we know it. These weren't just simple compounds, they were intricate structures, hinting at complex biological processes. Specifically, amino acids and lipids, the very building blocks that form proteins and cell membranes. Their presence was a tantalizing clue. These crucial molecules were discovered inside ancient lakebed rocks, preserved for billions of years within the Martian sediment. These rocks were like time capsules, holding secrets of a bygone era. These molecules are the fundamental building blocks of life, the very foundation upon which all living organisms are built. Their existence on Mars suggested the possibility of a similar biological framework. What made this discovery even more remarkable was that these molecules were unlikely to form by chance in such high concentrations. The abundance suggested a biological origin, a process actively creating and concentrating these compounds. Delving deeper, electron microscopes revealed fossilized cell structures, remnants of what appeared to be ancient Martian life forms. These microscopic structures exhibited clear boundaries and distinct internal features resembling the organization found in terrestrial cells. The shapes and sizes of these structures were remarkably consistent across multiple samples, a hallmark of biological origin, suggesting a systematic process rather than random formation. Further bolstering the evidence, isotope analysis showed a distinct preference for lighter carbon isotopes within the samples, just like life on Earth, where biological processes preferentially utilize lighter carbon. This unique chemical signature strongly pointed to metabolic activity in ancient Martian microbes, organisms that once thrived in the planet's ancient waters. Extreme care was meticulously taken to rule out any possibility of contamination from Earth-based sources. Samples were carefully sealed on Mars immediately after collection and transported back to Earth in multiple layers of protective packaging, ensuring their pristine condition, and finally, analyzed in ultra-clean labs designed to eliminate any potential for false positives. Control samples, taken from nearby rocks known to be devoid of organic material, showed no signs of life, definitively confirming that the fossils and organic molecules discovered were truly Martian in origin. The evidence, gathered from multiple independent studies, was overwhelming and conclusive. For the first time in human history, we had irrefutable proof that life once existed, and perhaps still does, on another planet. The discovery was not just a scientific triumph, but a testament to the power of international space cooperation and technological achievement. After centuries of speculation and searching, Mars had finally given up its most profound secret. Returning Martian samples to Earth required unprecedented care. Perseverance's collection system was sterilized to prevent Earth microbes from contaminating Mars or the samples. Each rock core was sealed in a titanium tube, tracked by serial number and stored with precision. The sample container, a marvel of engineering, used multiple layers of containment to keep Martian material isolated. The breaking the chain of contact principle ensured nothing from Mars touched anything exposed to Earth. Once on Earth, samples went straight to a biosafety level 4 lab, where only robotic arms handled them. This protected both the samples and our planet. Every precaution meant scientists could trust the results. What they found was truly Martian. The integrity of the mission set a new standard for planetary protection. The discovery of life on Mars is a turning point for humanity. It shows life isn't unique to Earth, suggesting the universe is likely full of living worlds. This knowledge changes how we see ourselves and our place in the cosmos. It inspires curiosity, unity, and hope, encouraging us to keep exploring. The find opens new fields of science, with Martian biology offering clues to life's origins and potential breakthroughs in medicine and technology. It also highlights the need for planetary protection, ensuring we don't harm other worlds or bring danger home. The discovery makes these responsibilities more urgent than ever. We are now stewards of a larger, living universe. Our actions must reflect respect for the wonders we find, the journey of discovery has only just begun. The groundbreaking news of potential life discovered on Mars electrified the world, sending shockwaves of excitement and anticipation across the globe. It was a moment that many had only dared to dream of, now seemingly within reach. Scientists and researchers who had dedicated decades of their lives to the arduous search for extraterrestrial life, tirelessly scanning the cosmos for any sign, were understandably overwhelmed with joy and a profound sense of accomplishment. Years of relentless effort had finally yielded a result, a discovery that could redefine our understanding of the universe. Dr. Eris Thorne, a leading figure in the mission, called it the moment we've all been dreaming of, a sentiment echoed by countless others in the scientific community. The announcement marked a pivotal point in human history. Experts drew comparisons between the magnitude of this discovery and historical milestones, such as Galileo's first use of the telescope to observe the heavens, or the monumental achievement of mapping the human genome, unlocking the secrets of life itself. This Martian discovery felt equally transformative. The mission's resounding success stood as a testament to the power of international collaboration, bringing together brilliant minds and resources from across the globe and unwavering scientific persistence in the face of countless challenges and setbacks. It was a victory for the entire human race. The public responded with a sense of awe, wonder, and a rare feeling of unity, transcending borders and cultural differences. Social media platforms buzzed with excitement, speculation, and shared dreams of a future where humanity is not alone in the universe. Educational institutions, from schools to museums, rushed to share the groundbreaking news with eager learners, sparking curiosity and inspiring the next generation of scientists and explorers. For a fleeting moment, the world felt profoundly connected, united by a shared sense of wonder and the realization of our place in the vast cosmos. However, amidst the euphoria, some voices urged caution and perspective, reminding us that the life discovered was ancient and microbial in nature, not the little green men of science fiction lore. The reality was far more nuanced and complex. Scientists universally emphasized the critical need for further, more in-depth research to fully understand the nature, origin, and implications of Martian life. Healthy skepticism remains an integral part of the scientific process, ensuring that every claim is rigorously tested, scrutinized, and retested by the broader scientific community. Regardless, the discovery has undeniably sparked a renewed and intensified interest in space exploration and the pursuit of scientific knowledge worldwide, inspiring countless individuals to look to the stars. Humanity now shares a profound new sense of possibility, a collective vision of a future where the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding are constantly expanding. The discovery of Martian life has re-energized space exploration. Scientists will keep analyzing the return samples, searching for more answers about ancient Martian biology. New robotic missions are already being planned. Some will search for signs of present-day life, possibly deep underground. Future rovers may drill deeper, hunting for living microbes protected from harsh surface conditions. The ultimate goal: send humans to Mars, where astronauts can conduct complex research and explore in real time. This mission is now more urgent and valuable than ever. The discovery also broadens our search for life to other worlds, like Europa and Enceladus, which may have hidden oceans. Missions could soon drill through their icy shells, searching for new forms of life. Mars is just the beginning. The universe is now open for exploration. The next great discovery could be just around the corner. We've crossed a threshold. Life on Mars is now fact, not fiction. This discovery changes our story forever, making us citizens of a living cosmos. It inspires a new generation to dream, explore, and innovate. The challenges of Martian exploration will drive breakthroughs that benefit life on Earth. We must also consider new ethical questions. How do we interact with alien life? What responsibilities do we have as explorers? The ancient Martian microbes remind us to be thoughtful and careful as we venture further. Our actions in space will shape the future for generations. The discovery of life on Mars is a story of hope and connection. We are part of something larger and more wonderful than we ever imagined. The journey has just begun, the stars are waiting,